guys, my name is Moeatalagi Schwenke, but you can call me Atta. Welcome to my area code. We are in Darling Harbour, Sydney, Australia. I will be showing you guys some of my favourite places to visit if you're in Darling Harbour. So, let's go. We are here at the National Maritime Museum. This holds a very special place in my heart because when I was around 6 years old, traditional Pacific Island ships had sailed right in this harbour. I had performed with my mum and a few of my other Maritime members to raise awareness of climate change and how it is affecting our Pacific Islands. So yeah, this is a very special place. What I like to do with my family is come here to Darling Harbour and unwind. I like to get an ice cream. Cookies and cream is my favourite flavour, of course. But I also love to go on the Ferris wheel. Just fun time to unwind and relax after a long day of performing or classes at Maritime. I also love coming to this place. This is called the Australian Museum and the exhibitions inside are so amazing, and if you ever get the chance, you should really come by and check it out. Right here where we're standing, I actually led and performed for a climate change protest that I was a part of. And during this time, my sister, Moeatalagi Schwenke, was actually in Glasgow during the COP26 marching for climate change as well. Thank you guys for tuning in with my area code. I really enjoyed showing you guys around. I hope you guys had fun and keep it fresh.